So children, this is the continuation of question number 3, exercise 9.2, where we completed the first one. Okay, we completed the first one. Here I have left it empty. We are starting with the second one. So here we have to multiply. For this box, we have to multiply minus 5y and 2x. So we write it here. 5 twos gives us 10. Minus is there, so minus x and y. They both are not same. Okay, they are not common. So their powers won't be added. Then we multiply minus 5 y into minus 5y. So 5 5s gives us 25. Correct? Minus into minus gives us plus. So this becomes plus. And y into y. Again you can see the variables are common. So we are going to add the powers. So it comes out to be 25y squared. Okay. Then minus 5y into 3x squared. So 5 3s gives us 15. This is minus. 1 is minus, 1 is plus. So plus into minus gives us minus. And x and y both are different variables. So we are not going to add their powers. Instead we are going to write them together. This completes the third one. Then we go to the next. I am writing it here. You write small children. 5y into minus 4xy. 5 4s gives us 20 and this is minus. Sorry, this is minus and this is minus. Minus into minus will give us plus. So plus 20. X is alone, so let x be here only. Y into y, again that means 1 plus 1, that is y squared. Okay. Or you can write the same way how we were writing up till now. 1 plus 1, that is 2. So answer comes out to be 20xy squared. Then minus 5y is multiplied by 7x square y. 5 7s gives us 35. Minus into plus gives us minus. Now x square is alone here. No x here. So x square remains x square. And y's power gets added. Okay. 1 plus 1 which gives us 2. So the answer comes out to be minus 35 x square and y square. Okay. So this completes the second last column for the second one. Then we multiply minus 5y into minus 9x square y square. So minus into minus plus. If you don't write anything also it is understood. 5 9s is 45. X is alone. Nothing here. So x remains x square. And here the power of y is 1 and here the power of y is 2. So we are going to add 1 plus 2 children. So it will give us 45 x square y cube. Okay. Then we do the next, that is 3x. Where is my duster? Square. So instead of writing so many, I will just write one, that is 3x square. 3x square. Okay, so we are going to multiply this 3x square with the polynomials. Monomials, that is. So first monomial this, second monomial this. So 3x square into 2x. So 3 2s are 6. There is no sign, so all positive. Then this is x. Power is 2 and here power is 1. So the powers will be added. Why? Because x is common. So this gives us 6x cube. Then 3x square into minus 5y. So 3 5 5s are 15. Plus into minus is minus. Then x square and y. Separate once again. Why, children? Because the variables are not same. Then 3x square into 3x square. Here also 3x square, here also 3x square. You can see 3 3s will give us 9. Power of x will be added. Here also 2, here also 2. So we will add the power of x. Why? Because x is a common variable in both places. So 2 plus 2 gives us 4. So 9x to the power 4. Okay. Then 3x square and minus 4xy. Multiplied by minus 4xy. So 3 4s are 12. With 12 is minus sign. Why? Because 4 has a minus sign. Then x square and x. So the power of x will be added and y remains y. So the answer comes out to be minus 12 x square y. Okay. So this completes the fourth column. Then we go to the fifth column. 3x square and 3x square is multiplied by 7x square. Why, children? So here you can see 3 7s gives you 21 and the power of x will be added and y will be written as y only. Why? Because in one monomial there is no variable as y. So y is not common but x is common. So x to the power 4 and y. So this completes the second last column. Then 3x square. Into minus 9x square y square. So 3 9s will give us 27, children. And plus into minus is minus. Again x power will be added. And y is not common. So y will be written as it is. So y squared. So this gives us minus 27 x to the power 4 and y squared. So this completes the next third polynomial, I suppose. Yes, after this is the next fourth one is 4xy. So I'll write 4xy here. Let's complete till here, then we are going to erase the next part. So 4xy into 2x. Let's write. We can write directly also, children. 4 2s are 8. Now x is common, so power of x will be added and y will be written as it is because y is not common. So the answer comes out to be 8x square y. Then 4xy into minus 5y. Now 4 5s are 20 plus minus. Okay. And x is not common, so x will be written as it is. Power of y will be added. So it will be minus 20 xy square. Then 4xy into 3x square. 4 2s are 12. 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. Plus into plus is plus. Power of x will be added because x is common. Here it is 2. So 1 plus 2 and y remains y, which gives us 12x cube and y. Then 4xy into minus 4xy. It will be multiplied. 4 4s are 16 plus minus. Power of x will be added. So it is 1 plus 1. Okay. And power of y also will be added. Why? Because x is also common and y is also common. So the power of y will also be added. 1 plus 1. So this is minus 16 x square and y square. Y I have written here. Okay. Then we go to the next sum. Lot of calculation in this question, children. Here, 4xy into 7x squared y. So 4 sevens gives us 28. Power of x will be added. The power of x will be added because x is common. And then we go to y. Power of y will also be added, children. Why? Because again y is common in both the monomials. So 28 x cube y squared. Okay. So this completes the second last. Then we go to 4xy into minus 9x squared y squared. Now 4 9s are 36. Plus into minus is minus. Power of x will be added, children. Okay, x is common in both places. So the power is going to be added. And then the power of y will also be added. Why? Because again y is also common. So the answer comes out to be minus 36 x cube y cube. Okay, so this completes the 4xy row. Got it? You write small, you will be able to write. Then we go to 7x square y. Children, if you are not having place in book, if you are feeling that a lot of calculation is there, space is less, you can do it in your copy. Got it? Please do it in your, you are free to do it in your copy. So now we are starting 7x square y. So 2x into 7x square y. 7 2s are 14. X, power of x will be added. Y remains y, so it is 14 x cube y. Then again 7. Now we can write directly also. 7 5s are 35 and minus. Power of x remains the same because x is not common but y is common. So y's power can be added. So it is minus 35 x square y square. Okay. Similarly, 7 3s are 21. Now x is common, so power of x will be added. And y remains same. So it is 21 x to the power 4 and y. Then 7 4s are 28. So minus 28, power of x will be added. It is 2 plus 1 and power of y will also be added. It is 1 plus 1. Y is here 1 and here also 1. So the new answer is minus 28 x cube and y square. This completes the first 4 columns. We have to do the 5th and 6th now. Now 7 7s are 49. You can see 7 7s are 49. Power of x will be added. Okay, whatever powers are there, there is 2, here's 2, 2 plus 2. And power of y will also be added. So it is 49 x to the power 4 and y squared. Then 7 9s are is 63. Plus into minus is minus. Power of x will again be added. Then power of y will also be added. So the answer is minus 63 x to the power 4 and y cube. Okay. So this completes 18. Minus into plus is minus. X square and x. So power will be added. 2 plus 1 and y square remains y square only. So minus 18 x cube y square. Y is not common. Then 9 5s are 45 children. Yes. Minus into minus becomes plus. Power of x remains the same because x is not common. But power of y gets added. So 45 x square y cube. Okay. Then 9 3s are 80. Sorry, 9 3s are 27. I'm so sorry. 9 3s are 27. Then power of x will be added. 2 plus 2 and y remains the same. Y square. So it is minus 27 x to the power 4 and y square. Then 9 4s are 36 and minus into minus gives us plus. X square and x. So power of x will be added. Then power of y will also be added. 2 plus 1. So the answer comes out to be 36 x cube and y cube. Okay, I don't have place to write here, so I have written like this. You please write in one line. Then 9 7s are 63. Minus into plus is minus. X square, power gets added children because x is common. Then y square and y. Of course, power gets added. 2 plus 1 because y is also common. Then we write the answer. Minus 63 x to the power 4 and y cube. Okay, this completes the second last box. Okay, or the row, the last row. Or the cell you can say. Then minus 9 into minus 9. 9 9s are 81. Minus minus becomes plus. Then powers are going to get added. For x, 2 plus 2